Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Ummi Cahyani from room 6. The name of my group member is Muhammad Reza Pahlevi, Selfia Nofita Dewi, Annastya Wahyu Pramesti. First of all, here I want to explain in general the application that my group chooses. The first application is Grammarly, and then Quizlet, and the last English Central. Grammarly is an online grammar checker and spelling checker in English structure and corrects mistakes in writing. Grammarly provides correct word recommendation if there are wrong words in English structure. Grammarly can be integrated into the Microsoft Word application so that it makes it easier for users to check for error in the English structure with a note that the computer must be connected to the internet. This Grammarly application is also free, but the feature provided are few. If you want more feature, you can try using premium. Next, English Central is user-friendly website and utilizes the most advanced technology available for free. It's extremely intuitive and easy to use. This application can also teach us how pronunciation works correctly, and this application is useful for those of you who are starting to learn English independently. And the last application is Quizlet. Is one of the largest educational websites in the world as a support service and means of making erasers to remember. Quizlet provides audio-visual facilities. That means the user can listen to pronunciation of existing words as well as pay attention to images when the flashcard is played. Next will be explained more specific by my group friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Reza Pahlevi with student number 2019-8010-110, and today I will explain the first application that we can use to support autonomous learning, and it is Grammarly. So what is Grammarly? Grammarly is an application to correct errors in your writing. In other words, it is writing assistance. There are two types of Grammarly. Those are Grammarly for free and premium Grammarly, but I suggest you to use for free. And what are the features? The first is autocorrect grammar, spelling, and punctuation. These features only for free, and this feature helps user to check their writing when user create or paste their writing in this application. And this application directly correct the grammar, spelling, and punctuation. The result is user only need to change the wrong words into the true words. And the second is autocorrect fluency, conventions, formality, conciseness, clarity, and vocabulary. These features only for premium. When you use premium, your writing will be better with these features. And the third is general features, consists of all alert features and overall score. In alert features, consists of correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. This feature helps user to fix how much mistakes that user did. So there will a number of errors its alerts, and the user only need to fix until the number is lost and the alerts is marked with a check. And overall score, these features only number that show how better you have fixed your writing with 1 until 100 score. And how Grammarly can support autonomous learning? As we know, autonomous learning is an independent learning, and Grammarly can support the autonomous learning through several activities. For example, the students can learn writing through Grammarly, so they don't need to fix their writing for 2 times because the autocorrect feature will fix it. And they also don't need to ask their teacher about their mistakes on their writing. Indirectly, students learn independently which one they can do and which one they cannot do. So that's all, and the next application will deliver by the next speaker. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Selfia Nofita Dewi, and I would like to give you an explanation about the application that promotes autonomous learning. It is English Central. English Central is an online learning application or website that you can use to practice or improve your English skills. In English Central, there are many features that you can use for free. As you can see here, they provide some features such as videos, courses, vocabulary, pronunciation, and go live. In the videos and courses, they provide so many videos that you can use based on your interest or your level. You can choose by your own side. In the vocabulary and pronunciation, if you find any difficulties or the word that you don't know before, you can add it on the vocabulary, and if you have difficulties to pronounce some or certain words, you can add it to the pronunciation box. From there, you can see the right one to pronounce it. In the Go Live, you will have a conversation one by one with a tutor, private tutor, directly. The question is how it can promote autonomous learning. The first one, you need to watch the video first, and then you will learn to fill the blank words based on what you just heard, and then you will ask to speak or pronounce certain words based on what you just heard. After watch, learn, and speak, you will ask to go live. I think it is the most interesting part of this application because you can have a conversation one by one or directly with a private tutor. It is interesting, right? In Go Live, make sure that you should schedule a lesson first. Make sure that you have a schedule with a private tutor, and then after you schedule and then you got the right date and time, you can enjoy a lesson with a tutor and then get a lesson report. I think that's all the explanation of English Central. Thank you.
Now I will explain about Quizlet. What is Quizlet? Quizlet is almost the same application as Kahoot. Application can be accessed to www.quizlet.com or can be installed on mobile for free through the Play Store. This learning application provides thousands of learning sets that are very useful for both teacher and student. Each Quizlet set consists of several learning stages. In the first stage, learn, student will be introduced to vocabulary complete with image, definition, and sound. Next, what are the features is first, flashcard, second, listening and imitating, third, write either for true or false, five, test stage, and last, match and gravity. Student can then click on the flashcard, then the word sound from the image will appear. With this second feature, student practice listening and imitating word appro- appropriately. Next, in the write feature, student will hear a word and will have to type in the word they hear. Meanwhile, in spell, student will get a picture and must mention the name of the picture with the right word. There will be feedback that comes up for every speech a student makes, whether true or false. Furthermore, at the test stage, students will be faced with several forms of assessment. such as a multiple choice, true-false matchmaking, and fill. In addition to being able to be down directly online and immediately appear scored or grade student. This test can be also be print as a written assessment. The latter feature are match and gravity, both are game-related materials the have in learner in previous feature. I think these applications can promote autonomous independently learning because the order of given Quizlet is good enough for the progress of learning because the quiz is done gradually from the beginning.